Nick Dunlap. Burns and Scheffler, the housemates, in third and fourth. Past champion Zalatoris tied for fifth with Victor Hovland. Gonna have this cool FedEx plane flyover here in just a minute. I think we hear it in the background.
I tell you what, I was out there last year, and at 4 o'clock they fly by, 3 o'clock local, 4 Eastern. And when they make a few circles over the premises, they turn that thing on its side, and it is low. I mean, they're almost flying on one wing, they turn so sharply. It's impressive.
It's a Boeing 767. And has two General Electric engines that are rated at 62,000 pounds of thrust each. And it's one of the newest aircraft that FedEx has in its fleet.
Here she comes.
Has a range of over 3,600 miles and maximum takeoff weight of 408,000 pounds. I want to give a shout out to Captain Sid Graham of Apex, North Carolina. He's been flying for FedEx for almost 30 years. He's the chief pilot. And then sitting next to him is Captain Wade Quarles of Blytheville, Arkansas. He's been flying for FedEx for 13 years. And also a shout out to Captain Graham's grandson, James, and Sid's daughter, Allie, who are about to celebrate birthdays. Those guys fly all over the world to get you your packages on time. That is a beautiful bird.
It'll do a couple loops, almost like a figure eight over the premises. And then when she climbs out there, they hit the jets, and it stands up, man. It leaves in a hurry. So impressive.
Graham family lives in Apex, North Carolina. That's in the Triangle region of North Carolina. A little wave to everybody down below.
There's that turn. I mean, that thing's standing on its side.
And Fitzpatrick is first to play.
Slight distraction there with a big old jet airplane flying overhead.
That's going to be difficult to that back hole location from there.
I'm surprised that he had a shot that would go that far. This is through the fairway. Even straight away, that ball would have not held the fairway.
That thing's pulling some cheese right now, and look at that.
Goodness, that is just beautiful. What a day to fly. Buzzing Aaron Rye's tower right now. Tracing technologies provided by TrackMan, and it's just been out of character for Aaron Rye today.
You have to think it's a little fatigue. I mean, this is so... It is. Out of character is the perfect description, because typically he fights the ball low, always hunts the center of the fairway. He's really been off kilter.
62,000 pounds of thrust on each side. That's incredible.
Let's make another loop. Tony's going to drop the anchor for a second.
Oh, this one's going to come. He's going to come right up the middle of this fairway this time. What's he doing? Some stunt flying or something?
Wait till he hits the jets to climb out of here, Rob. It's impressive. Little wingtip, that's the farewell. Now they hit full thruster and they're out.
These guys need a little jolt of energy at the moment as they play the par 4 15th. Maybe Captain Graham and Quarles will provide a spark as they fly on an absolute Chamber of Commerce day in Memphis, Tennessee.
When you have something to get